All right, so this question says, calculate the mass in grams of sucrose required to make 125 ml of a 15.5% weight over volume sucrose solution. Record the correct amount rounded to 1 decimal place. So let's break this down into steps. A 15.5% weight over volume solution means there are 15.5 grams of a solute, in this case sucrose, for every 100 ml of total solution. So we're going to use the standard weight over volume formula. So that is percentage weight over volume equals mass of solute in grams over volume of solution in milliliters, and we're going to multiply this all by 100. So because we want to find mass, right, so it's asking us to calculate the mass, we're just going to rearrange this formula. And to do that, we'll just divide both sides by 100 and then multiply by the volume. So let's do that. So mass in grams is going to be equal to percentage times volume divided by 100. So now we'll just plug in what we know. And what we know is our percentage is 15.5. Our volume is 125. So mass is equal to 15.5 times 125 over 100. And then we divide that by 100. And we end up with 19.375 grams. But the answer is asking us to round to 1 decimal place. So we'll come down here, find our 1 decimal place right here. So that's going to be step 4, round to 1 decimal place. And so our final answer is going to be mass is equal to 19.4 grams.